this unboxing is I think it's middle grade. It's nonfiction, and maybe it has a slight narrative nonfiction aspect to it, but it's about Einstein, The Fantastic Journey of a Mouse Through Space and Time. It's by Torben Kuhlmann. So I'm not quite sure the mouse aspect, because I'm not sure if that is just to illustrate the thought experiment of relativity of time, Einstein's theory, or if the mouse is interacting with Einstein and helping to either be some kind of assistant or just to witness and chronicle Einstein's life and achievements. So I'm not quite sure, but whoa, look at the beautiful end paper. And it's all mouse driven. Like the mouse is involved in all of these inventions that look like they are related to Einstein's. And so we start off with a quote about time. And yep, here we go. The Theory of General Relativity. So this is definitely a book that's going to focus on that aspect of his research. But as you can see, quite a bit of text and pretty small font. And actually quite a thick book. So, but there's also pages that are just spreads of just pure illustration, wordless. So it's like a really interesting format too. I haven't seen it. I haven't really seen like narrative nonfiction with, spreads of wordless illustration. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah, so I'm not totally sure exactly what this is all about. In terms of how the mouse figures in. It almost seems to be Einstein's research and life narrated by the mouse. That is my take from flipping through this book. So, who do I think this book is for? I think kids who like physics. I would probably give it to someone maybe 9 years old and older. Anyone who likes like sort of those mental puzzles, like the relative time, his theory about time, the theory of general relativity. Anyone who's interested in inventions, physics, engineering. I would give it to girls too. Girls who are interested or even have a slight interest in STEM, because I feel like the mouse makes the story a lot more accessible, as well as the illustration spreads. Yeah, so this is a really interesting treatment of his life. I haven't seen anything like it. And let's see, at the very end. Anyone interested in time travel too, because this is about, how time is not just a straight line. So, yeah, it kind of is this mix of really STEAM, so science plus creativity. So any kids who like to apply creativity to science, that also is the perfect intersection. So thank you to North South for sending me this book, and thank you for watching.